morning, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we will be opening up for 1, 2, 3, and 4 mystery box from Lazada. Ayan. So each box actually is worth 200 pesos. It's a mystery box, so we don't know what's inside. So I'm very much anticipating what we will find inside. Parang may... Mukhang hindi naman siya babasagin and it's light. Well, let's see. Ito natin unang buksan. Yan. Okay. So. Ay. Ayan. Medyo matibay. Doon sa mga nagpupunta na ng Lazada. Pag Christmas, marami silang mga mystery box na binibenta. Bumili na rin ako one time. Pero yung binili ko lang worth 100 pesos last Christmas. Yung dumating sa akin, ang nakuha ko lang pangit. It's like a fake earring na pagka bibili ka sa labas ng school nyo, you will only be just paying 20 pesos for it. So ever since noon, hindi na ako nag-mystery box something sa Lazada. But, my husband, he's very supportive with my unboxing video. So he bought 200 pesos worth of, I don't know, Meron siya sinasabi.
Apat na 200.
Apat na 200 pesos na box. Yan. Wow! So, the first box, ang laman niya ay, grip for your cellphone. Nice. Pwede na. It's cool. It's cute. The other one, wow! Perfect! Alam nila para sa akin, selfie stick. Buksan natin. Baka hindi kasi selfie stick ang laman, diba? Mali ko ba kung toothpick na malaki? Ay, hindi. Selfie stick naman talaga siya. Ayan. Hindi ako marunong gumamit. May click. Kakakaba ba to? Never mind, baka masira ako pa. Wow, sa kulay black. Gusto yan ng asawa ko. And then, ayan. Magaling lang ako sa unboxing, hindi sa pagbabalik ng item sa loob ng box.
Pamimili mo ba yun?
Pamimili ko ba to? Why not? Tignan natin. Abangan nyo. That's the good question. The next one is, wow! I think ito yung nilalagay dun sa mga wires, diba? Ayan. Pwede na. And then the other one, USB light. Gagana kaya to? Oh, well, hindi ako marunong mag-try kung gagana siya. So, ayan. Oh! Wow! And then, sa mga mahilig mag-Mobile Legends, perfect yung pang-picture dun sa box Mobile Legends nga. Ayan. So, may ganito. Ano ba tawag dito? Portable gamepad. Ayan! Wow! At portable gamepad nga yung laman. Ha? So, doon sa mga, nag-iisip bumili ng portable gamepad. So, technically, it's nothing special. I mean, it's special. It's nothing special, technically speaking. You just have to, put your cell phone inside and then, as you play, like this. Kung sanay ka maglaro ng, like, Xbox, so, so, that's mystery box number 1. So, let's open another box. This one. Again, 200 pesos po yung isang box. Yung narinig nyo mga aso ko yun. They're playing with their chew toy. Ayan. So, parang mas compact, pero mas less gadgety yung sound niya. almost the same. Meron siya ulit na ungrip solution problem for cell phone, but this time instead of flowery pink color, it's now bluish red. And then they still have this, yung sa coil. And then same, meron din ulit na LED light. Actually, for the LED light, guys, although I wouldn't recommend it, I guess pag mag-picture ka, you want more light. Pero I actually have another version of this that I use for reading. So I love reading books. It's something that you clip dun sa libro and you can actually, you know, light your book while reading. And then, as always, my selfie stick and my portable gamepad. So it's basically the same because it's from the same seller. Ah, hindi! Different seller. Matignan nga. Saan ba?
Yung dalawa yung parehas na seller.
Ah, same seller. So talaga bang abot to ng 200 pesos? I guess. Pero pwede na, thank you, diba? At least kung meron kang mga pagbibigyan na regalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items. Meron ka ng 5 na pagbibigyan. Oh, perfect na yan. Siguro yung pinakamura doon sa hindi mo friend, hindi mo like. Like, sa kanya na lang to, ha? Ayan. So, the other 2 boxes, nalalagyan natin dyan. This is from a different seller ba? Yes! Different seller. Ooh, parang isa lang yung laman niya. Hindi compared sa nauna. Hindi naman ho babasagin. Ayan. Yeah. Let's open. Woo! Some puppy noise. So what I like about Lazada is, as you can see, diba? Yung box. It's very sturdy. Although for some, from what I know from Lazada, kinakailangan dapat may bubble wrap. Pero walang bubble wrap. Pero sige na nga, 200 pesos lang naman. Oh! Different seller, but meron din siyang selfie stick. At yung selfie stick, same brand as nung kanina. The different seller, buwong, diba? Sige. Kunin ko na yung muna yung isang one, diba? So, may selfie stick din. Ooh! And then, meron fake earphone. Magkano ba to? Tapos mukhang bago kasi may scotch tape. So, di ko po siya muna i-open. And then, lastly, same portable gamepad. Yan. So, I guess mas mahal yung earphone compared dun sa hand grip and dun sa ikot-ikot na coil. Yan. There we go. Kasi sa kanya, 3 items lang. So, you have the earphone, you have the selfie stick, and the gamepad. Yan. I think it's going to be the same item dun sa next box. Parang. Ay, kaya na may yupe, oh. OC lang. Open natin. And then, ano hula nyo? Feeling ko portable selfie stick din to. Saka gamepad. Oh, grabe. Pagka loto to, nanalo na ako. Gamepad! So, marami ho kami pagbibigyan na gamepad ng mga kamag-anak. Sa mga inaanak ko, be surprised. Ang ibibigay ko sa inyo, gamepad. Pagka tinanong nyo kung magkano, ay anak! 500 pesos! Ayan. Sa mga kumalat kumpani ko, huwag niyo papanood yung aking video sa mga anak niyo, ha? Para pag nagtanong kung magkano, 500 pesos! Selfie stick worth 300! Ay, teka lang. In terms of weight, mas mabigat siya. So, this is like 550! Selfie stick! And then, lastly, ayan. earphone, pag kami nagtanong, ang kasabi ko, this is real Apple earphone, 1,000 pesos! Ganyan ko kayo kamahal. Pero technically, galing lang ho siya sa Lazada, worth 200 pesos. Oh my God! Doon sa mga gusto gumaya po sa akin, hindi ko po i-booking, pero hindi po pang-regalo. I'll be buying some items dun sa incoming sale, which is 11/11. So I'll be buying both from Lazada and Beauty Manila as always. So please check for future video. Please subscribe. And then if you want to be included to win, beauty products or who knows? Selfie stick. If you want to buy and win 500 and win 550 pesos worth of selfie stick, 500 pesos worth of portable gamepad, and 1,000 pesos worth of Apple earphone, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Boom! But kidding aside on the price, this is only 200 pesos per box. So, yun lang. Happy mystery box shopping to everyone. Bye-bye!